Poly Printer tutorial. This tutorial will guide you through using the Poly Printer 3D printer in the TinkerSpot Center at the Arlington Public Library. Note, you can generate stereolithograph or STL files from any 3D drawing software you prefer. Example, Tinkercad, OpenSCAD, etc. If you already have generated an STL file from your 3D model, skip to Now You Have an STL File section. Website Thingiverse is available online through any web browser at www.thingiverse.com. You can use most features on the Thingiverse through the iOS app, the Android app, or MakerBot desktop app. Logging in. You don't need an account to view or download things, but if you want to follow, collect, customize, upload, or use groups and messaging, then you'll need to sign in with your free MakerBot Thingiverse account. From Thingiverse.com, click on Sign In/Join to get started. Finding design. From the top of the main Thingiverse page, you can see Feature, Designs, and Collections. Just use the search field to find exactly what you're looking for, or browse through some excellent curated content downloading designs. Once you've located a theme you want, press Download this theme. To see a list of files that are available, file types STL and OBJ are intended for 3D printing.